Mom? Why are you looking so sad? Nothing, just your dad passed away when you were 9. Oh, okay. Anyways, can I go outside? Sure, why not? Okay. Oh.